Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. You guys will be so glad when our porch is done. First question, if you report a comment as offensive, does the commenter get notified? I assume you're talking about Poshmark? No, so they do not get notified. You can mark it as, like offensive. That noise is offensive right now. No, if you mark it as offensive or as spam, they don't get notified. It just deletes their comment. And then if they were to look for their comment, it would be gone. They wouldn't get a notification like, hey, you posted an offensive or a spam comment and it was deleted. No, they don't get notification. Next question. Hey, quick question. Anonymous to the public, please, if you answer in your videos. They're always anonymous, if you guys ask me questions, unless you want me to say your name. It says, but are there currently any cross-listing apps compliant with Poshmark at the moment? With all the changes, I've lost track and I wanted to try for expanding across platforms. Yes, there are cross-listing programs that you can use. Just make sure that it doesn't have automation with it. If a cross-listing, actually, I don't even know. Is there a cross-listing program that offers sharing too? I don't know, but just make sure that it's not automation. There isn't an automation aspect to it, but yes, there are a few. I currently use List Perfectly. I was using Vendoo for a while, but Vendoo just wasn't reliable anymore. And yeah, it sucks because I like Vendoo a lot more than List Perfectly. There are just some annoying aspects about List Perfectly, like how when you cross-list something, it opens up a new tab. So if you want to cross-list 30 things at once, you literally have 30 fucking tabs open, which is annoying. I don't know why they can't fix that. I like Vendoo a lot better. I'm currently using List Perfectly. But yeah, just make sure you're not doing anything with a bot or use a bot. You can do whatever you want, but Poshmark compliant. If you're asking about compliance, you can't use anything that has an automation aspect to it. You guys know I made so many videos talking about bots. Okay, next question. I'm trying out this new thing where I'm putting my phone right here, so I'm not holding it. I'm just kind of yeah. Great stuff. What products will you use to get the stains out? I have a few things and I'm curious what others use. And I think this comment was on a video where I had sourced something that had a stain in it. I don't source things with stains. That sweatshirt, it was unknowing. I didn't check it at the thrift, or I didn't check it well enough at the thrift and noticed the stain when I got home. I have an Amazon shop where I have all of my reselling tools and stuff that I use, so I will link that down below. But as far as that type of stain, I think it was an oil stain if I remember correctly. I have the hardest time getting oil stains out of things, especially ones that have been sitting there. If it just happened, then yes, I can get it out. But if it's been sitting there, I don't know. I've tried, the Dawn dish soap. I've tried all the tricks, but I literally cannot find anything that gets set in oil stains out. But I will link my Amazon shop down below. Again, I have all of my reselling tools there. I have the poly mailers that I use, my mannequin, my lighting. I even have my camera and microphone that I use for YouTube. I literally have everything down to the measuring tapes and the tape that I use, just all kinds of good stuff. So I will link that down below. You can go check that out. Okay, last question. Hi Vanessa, your nails always look so nice in your videos. Would you consider doing a my current favorite nail polishes video every once in a while? So this obviously has nothing to do with reselling, but I wanted to mention this because I am bringing back my beauty videos. I miss making beauty videos. That's how this channel started. Actually, if you want to know the truth, my first ever video that I made on YouTube was back in 2007. It was right after the first iPhone came out. I did a parody video to iJustine's, one of her most popular videos. It's called my 300-page iPhone bill, because I also got an iPhone bill in a box. Mine was actually more than 300 pages, so if I thought of that idea, I probably could have blown up right then. But yeah, I made a parody video to that. That was actually my first video ever on YouTube. I wish I still had it. I remember I got 5,000 views in 2 days, which was a lot back then. That was a shit ton. Like I said, it was 2007. That was a shit ton. I wasn't monetized back then. You couldn't make money back then. So yeah, it was crazy. I wish I still had that video. But yeah, that was my first video. And then I started making beauty videos, and I made beauty videos up until the last 2.5 years. That was my whole channel, beauty and fashion videos and tech videos too. But I want to get back to making those videos as well, because for the last 2.5 years, it's been mainly reselling. I still do my BoxyCharm videos every once in a while. But yeah, I want to bring back more beauty videos because I miss it. So yes, I will do a favorite nail polish video coming soon. I do have a holiday gift guide thing that I'm working on, so that's gonna be exciting. So yeah, so beauty videos are gonna be coming back soon. If that's not your thing, that's fine. I'm still gonna have just as many reselling videos. I'm just gonna sprinkle in more beauty videos. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. I'm so close to having recruited 1,000 people on this crazy amazing app, which is awesome. Also, I just want to throw this out there. I do have an exciting announcement coming soon. I plan on uploading this video in like a week or two, so maybe I'll be able to announce it by then, or maybe I'll have announced it in a different video. Check the description box if you want to know what my exciting announcement is. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.